or good day all. This is Dr. So here of Token Trading Research. Welcome to another day in crypto trading, and I will be looking at the coins of the day. Welcome. Right. Now, what has made me to be making these videos? Yeah, it is because wealth are actually created during the bear market. Oftentimes, the mistake a lot of people makes is they wait till rally or bull comes or the markup stage and they buy at all-time high, probably sell at all-time low. They lose their money. It is when the fear is in the market, that is when you take the plunge. Remember, trading is risky. Now, let's get started with the coin of choice or the token of choice today. The token of choice today. Before we do that, it is essential to note that trading is risky. A lot of people dabble into trade. That is where they lose their money and they can't handle the heat. If you can't handle the heat in the kitchen, you should get out. Right, there are other cliches there that you may have heard many times. I'm going to leave that alone. Remember, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Now, let's look at a coin that has great potential. The reason why these coins are useful, or these tokens, token I meant to say, using a lot of coins today. Oh, what is the difference between the token? Yeah, you find that most layer one or things like bitcoins, those are coins. Token are mostly these layer 2, although Gala is a layer 1 coin. It is on Ethereum blockchain and it hopes to move to its own chain called the Gala chain blockchain. It's a layer 1 token. Right. What is Gala? Gala is a utility token on Ethereum chain at the moment. It is scarce. Well, it's quite a lot of it, but you have about 5 billion. It's limited to that 5 billion token. And there is strong active community of supporters, and it's also used in governance and voting. It has a lot of partnership with well-known companies. There's quite a lot of them. If you go to CoinGecko, you probably will have more information there. So I'm just highlighting some features that make the coin, or that make the argument valid if this coin ever decide, or if this token ever decide to rally up. And the use cases for Gala is used in games and also used to purchase NFTs. And it's quite, in games we actually have Gala games, which enables you to play to earn participation in games. And again, as many people begin to adopt Gala, you find that this is a coin that could actually do a run up. Now, where has it been? If you look at this coin, if you look at this token, let's see right here. Now, if you look at this token, I'll just try to make it a a bit bigger, you find that at all time, the last all-time high, it actually went to close to $1. That is 0.86 cents, 0.87 cents, depending on the exchange. And the lowest it has ever been, just bear with me here, it's 0.01 trillion. That is the lowest it has ever. That was the launch price. It could be lower than that. I mean, if you get involved in pre-sale. So this is a coin with the features I have enumerated earlier, or the use cases I have spoken about. You find that this is a potential. Now, why these are known or charted territory that you've known where the coin has been, and if there is ever a bull market, these are the places look at. Now, that said, do not wait until it rallies to the top all-time high, because it could pull back. Before it gets there, it's gonna do a lot of mess, pull up, rally up, and drop, retraces. There's a lot that will happen along the way. If you see any money on the table, take it and wait, because it's going to come back again. I think by now a lot of people have learned the hard way. Now let's see how many percentage. Okay, so if we look at that, we have more than 98.7%. So that is what it has dropped to at the moment. Okay. So with that, you probably is the best bet for you to throw your money in. As I've said earlier, do invest what you can afford to lose. So if you do not have the resources, please do not play with this fire. They could make you money, they could also wreck you. Now, I try to keep this video short. There's a lot of echo chamber there, so that you are able to take away something from these little video of coins that could make 100x if ever there is a bull run. This is not a financial advice, but I'm looking at coins that have been to charter territory. And that said, this is how those who have made it, this is the secret you never told. They actually buy at this time. And by the time the market, the bull runs, or there's a markup of price, you find that a lot of people are showing the gain in their assets they have purchased. This is the secret. Now, if this is a kind of video you want to watch, I try to keep it short. Please do leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe, and also press the notification bell so that when I'm online, you can always know, and so that we have a conversation here. With that said, thanks for showing up, and I look forward to other video I'll be dropping in this series. On that note, thanks for coming.